Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty Buzz with Lori. So this is our last segment on getting your skin back into shape from summertime. So today I'm going to go over a few of the different medical grade products. So let's just say that you're unable to get in the office for regular treatments in order to whip that skin back into shape. These are some things that you can do from home that are going to make a big difference in the skin overall, from an anti-aging process all the way through to brightening and lightening that skin. So what I've done is pulled a few products from both lines that we carry here in the office. This is our Neocutis line, this is our Zeo Skin Health line, both excellent lines to pull from for skincare. So these are some very targeted treatments though. So first off, we have Perle by Neocutis. So this employs a Melloplex technology. It is a non-hydroquinone brightener or bleaching system. So I like this because it's nice and simple on the skin, but it works as long as you're using it consistently. It is a twice-a-day product. And then of course with all of these products, I'll just throw in there sunblock. The next one in line is going to be RéACTIVE. So this is a L-ascorbic vitamin C. It has 15% L-ascorbic in it. So this is nice because vitamin C fights free radicals, so that's your anti-aging standpoint. And then also the antioxidant helps to brighten the skin as well. This also has a SPF in it. So I've actually never seen an SPF in a vitamin C before, but this is a nice combination. So you use it during the day. It's nice to actually use with the NOUVELLE, which is our next product, and that's the retinol. It's a 0.65% of retinol with the NOUVELLE on the Neocutis line. So these are nice to use together because you use the RéACTIVE in the morning and you've got your sunblock in there too. And then you've got the NOUVELLE at nighttime because you only use your retinols at night, remember? So those are nice options as well. What I like with these two lines is they actually play well together. So we can actually make this custom to your needs and concerns. This is one of my favorites from the Zeo Skin Health line. This is Radical Night Repair. This product is not for the faint of heart because it will give you an anticipated reaction. So it is a high potency retinol. This is going to be a process. You have instructions that have to come along with this. So you're doing it properly. What I mean by anticipated reaction is you are going to get red, you are going to flake, you are going to be stingy. So these are all things, again, that we anticipate happening. So I'll go over this with you in a consultation if this is a product that you're interested in. This is a nice at-home peeling treatment that you can use from Zeo Skin Health. So again, this is a great option, and this is going to whip your skin into shape a little bit quicker than maybe some of the other products that we're talking about here today. Another lighter option, say you have sensitive skin or you have rosacea skin, something like that, and this might be a little too strong for you. The Enzymatic Peel is nice because enzymes digest dead skin cells, so they do give you that nice, smooth, soft option. It will have a brightening effect over time. It gives you kind of that nice glow, luminous look as well. So it's a great option too. So as long as you don't have any allergies to papain or bromelain, you're doing good with that. And those are derived from pineapple and papaya. Then this last one is going to be the BrightAlive. So BrightAlive has been reformulated, and I actually love it. So the BrightAlive is nice because it has a bunch of different enzymes and brightening properties in it as well. You can use it with any other product too. So you can actually pair it with a retinol or even tretinoin, and you can use this twice a day. Or you can just add it into any skincare that you're already currently using. It pairs nicely with a lot of different things. So anyway, these are just some options. Again, as always, we want you to come in for a consultation so that we can customize your treatment for your needs. So give us a call today. Thanks for watching.